Jai Mahaperiva. Shall we do 100? Okay, let's do. Just stopping for a short break, guys, because there is a little bit of pain. So Kanchipuram is 33 kilometers. Now we are at Oragadam. If there are any vibrations when we cruise at a higher speed or so hey there guys, welcome back to 10K vlogs today. But before that, how are you guys doing? And I hope that you guys are doing pretty good. And so welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we are going to a place called Orikkai, which is in Kanchipuram, or maybe near Kanchipuram. Yeah, are you all ready for this exciting trip? I hope it doesn't rain. I have my rain gears with me, and I hope that it won't rain. Yeah, so let's not waste any more time and let's start the engines. So time is 9:43 a.m. and I hope that I will be able to reach in around 1 hour 20 minutes. That's what Google says. Yeah, and I hope that you are able to hear me pretty good and are able to see what I am recording, right? Okay guys, see you on the road then. So yeah guys, we have crossed the city traffic and now we have entered somewhere near Vandalur, and this road is going to take us towards the place Orikkai. Yeah, so Orikkai is actually, I'm not sure if it is in Kanchipuram or if it's near Kanchipuram. Yeah, but it's nearby Kanchipuram or so. Yeah, so the reason for me to just take this ride is I just wanted to go out, and yeah, being a festive season, it will be mostly crowded. Kanchipuram Mutt is over there, and I know just a little bit about all. I cannot explain you or tell you in detail. So the thing is that in Orikkai there is Mani Mandapam. Mani Mandapam is like a Tamil word which means in English, Mani means like pearls, jewelry. Yeah, it's not that English money, but money, like Hindi में भी मणि बोलते हैं ना, वैसा. Mandapam means mandap. Yeah, mandap is easy to understand. So that's actually for the Mahaperiva's Mani Mandapam it is. So Mahaperiva, also known as Shri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati, and he is a very well-known saint. He has a lot of followers. A saint who gave his spiritual knowledge, who gave the learnings of his to his followers, to other people, and he also is known that he could actually talk to Shri Kamachi Amman. Yeah, Kanchipuram is known for Kamachi Amman, and similar Madurai, if you know, Madurai is known for Madurai Meenakshi, right? So Mahaperiva is said that he could speak to Shri Kamachi Amman, and he has that sort of power. Also say, I am not sure, but that he attained a moksha there. Yeah, his last breath he took there. I think it's going to be beautiful. It is a beautiful place over there, and Kanchipuram is also not just so nature. I think still people do farming there, and let's see what sort of nature and sceneries we get to see there. Yeah, let's see. I mean, this is a nice highway. I'm going comfortably, and I don't have to shift gears or brake that often, and I'm liking it. I mean, the place is around 50 kilometers or 58 kilometers as per Google Maps from Chennai, so it's a nice comfortable distance. It's going to be a good ride, not just for me but for you also, guys. Yeah. So what are you guys all up to? Do let me know, okay? Some of you might be celebrating Pongal, some of you might be celebrating the same festival but the name might be other, right? If you are in Maharashtra, you have another name. If you are in Punjab, Haryana, you have another name. If you are in UP, Bihar, you have another name, and so on and so forth. So some of you guys actually asked me if there are any vibrations when we cruise at a higher speed or a lower speed or so on this Pulsar N250. So I mean, honestly, I will tell you that I will say that it is sort of a magic. Yeah, I mean, the vibrations, I cannot say that they are always 100% there. I don't know why. It's magic, really. That's why I'm telling you. I mean, so initially when I purchased the bike, when I shifted to fifth gear, and then it would be like 52 kilometers per hour speed, and when I gave a little bit of gas, accelerated, it would the mirrors were kind of vibrating, not at a very high frequency, but a low frequency, means the movement was quite visible. Yeah, but then the next day or the next to next day, when I had a similar situation, I didn't have that. Yeah, I didn't feel anything. And apart from that, also I have cruised at 120. Oh, nice beautiful lake here, guys, look. So apart from that, I have also cruised at different speeds, low, high, different gears, and I will say that I haven't felt that vibration. So I will say that it's a magic, really. Guys, just a comic side now to this, why I don't feel vibrations. Maybe that my body is vibrating at the same frequency like the bike, like the motorcycle, and because of that I do not feel any vibrations. Ha ha ha. Bad joke or good joke? Yeah, because you know, I mean, when something is vibrating at a similar frequency, it won't be feeling that vibrations, right? Because it is oscillating, vibrating in a similar frequency. Maybe it is that sort of a case with me. Just kidding, but yeah. You know, some sort of informative information about overtaking. I mean, overtaking can be done if needed, only if the surrounding, you know, allows you. What that means is that you have sufficient gap from the vehicle you want to overtake. You have sufficient gap not just from the vehicle but also towards your right side, towards your front, and you have sufficient distance to come to the left side again after overtaking the vehicle, because you shouldn't come to the left just as soon as you overtake. Yeah, you know what I mean, right? Okay, beautiful, nice nature here. I mean, we can make nice shots here, like, you know what I mean, guys. So Kanchipuram is 33 kilometers. Now we are at Oragadam. That's what the board said. And Oragadam has a lot of manufacturing facilities for automotive OEM suppliers and look, Apollo tires. I didn't know that. Yeah, OEM suppliers, tier 1 and 2, and I think some of the OEMs themselves might be situated here. Do you guys know why these bridges have this gap between them? The road on the bridge, there are multiple patches. Do you guys know why? I think it is because during the different climate conditions, weather, seasons, summer, winter, rain, due to the different temperature and atmospheric condition, the material of which the road is made of actually might expand or what is that, the opposite? Compress, right? Expand or compress. So I think to accommodate that difference, I think there are these gaps between the two patches. I think so. Do you guys know? If you know, guys, do let me know in the comment section here. So I think all this here is some OEM's supplier. Allison transmission. Oh, great. So everything here is kind of related to us. Nokia as their Aptiv is there. Is related to our motovlogging channel, because we are into bikes, cars, rides, discover unknown, and that's what we see at this place is all related to automotives. Nice highway, right? Do you know about these riding gloves? I mean, the riding gloves, you should always wear them, and not just only when you are going on a long touring. What will happen is that these riding gloves, if they are made of leather, or any other material that has this tendency to shrink, and so what will happen is that if you wear them suddenly and operate your bike, you might find that difficult, because only after wearing them for a certain amount of time will they be coming to that flexibility form. Only then will it be comfortable for you to like the clutch, brake with your fingers or hand, however it is. So some medical college here. If you see in Tamil Nadu, there are lot of colleges, right? Universities, colleges, lot of private institutions. A lot of students from different part of the country come here to study, make their dream come true. Say that when you have such junctions like these, always be a little more aware of the surrounding. Don't accelerate. Be ready to stop as and when needed. Looks like ghat section, a lot of curves. See on the map. Actually, there are some villages on the side of the highway. I can go there, but then the closing time in the morning hours for the Mani Mandapam is 12:30 p.m. So if I go there towards the villages, I probably will miss that time Music coming in 3, 2, 1. Just stopping for a short break, guys, because there is a little bit of pain due to the new pads on my skull area. Okay guys, let's begin. Short pit stop is over. So guys, status update, location update is that we just crossed what I believe is the town of Walajabad. We just saw, sorry, the camera was not on, happens. It was the Walajabad railway station. Maybe while going back, and if possible I will show you guys that. Do you guys like railway stations and trains and traveling in the train? Yeah, I do, guys. I like the train journey. I mean, you can see a lot when you're traveling on the train. Now this looks like a proper village, jungle, right? The roads are decent here, I will say, compared to what the roads are near the place where I live, and this one is pretty decent. Nice palm trees. Nungu is what the name is in Tamil. You guys know there are a lot of tongue twisters in Tamil, like Param. Ra is something many can't say that actually. Param, they will say Palam, but no, it is Param. Ra. Go slow, of course, because it's a narrow road, construction undergoing, and one must be careful, and the road is not that great. So this is the feature of Pulsar, you see. I am not accelerating, but it will keep on moving. Now I am accelerating. I mean, when we think of helmet as only a protection for our head, right? Actually helmet has other features also, like helmet prevents your face from getting dirty, small dust particles from getting into your eyes, and it keeps your head and neck a bit in position, I will say, because of the neck pads that we have on the helmet's lower end. It actually helps the neck. 19 minutes to the destination, a Shiva temple here. Jai Bholenath, Jai Shiv Shankar. Yeah, I wanted to tell you something. Yes, so in Kanchipuram actually, I told you na that Shankaracharya's mutt is there. So he has some decades ago started a university there which offers many different courses. I think it is called Shankara University, or on his name actually, I think Shri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishwa Mahavidyalaya. And I know that a lot of students from North India, even from Nepal, come to study there. You see the temple architecture, how beautiful it is now. I mean, can you imagine how much workforce and time and energy must have been required to just build the Gopura? I mean, the Gopura has a lot of individual informations, statues, people, gods, and Vahanas. Vahana or Vamana? Vahana, yeah. I mean, that is also a great thing, right? If you guys know Vahanas, the ancient Hindu scripture has that, right? I mean, that flying objects that were used by the gods and demigods and goddesses, and in the ancient Indian culture. And the details have been written down at that time itself, like how the construction was, materials used, and what sort of fuel was used. I have seen that, and I believe that. I mean, if you see, every now and then there will be some news about UFOs. UFOs is what? Unidentified flying objects, right? So an object which is seen as flying but is not new to us, is new to us. Yeah, means we haven't seen that. Oh, some camouflaged vehicle, I think Mahindra. "13 minutes left. Beautiful coconut trees. How many coconut trees are there? Look. Guys, few more minutes. If you want a precise answer, 9 more minutes. Yeah. I hope that the camera angle is fine, guys, because I want to get that perfect angle, like a little bit of the bike speedometer and more of that road and sky. We have reached it, guys. That over there. Wait, we will see that beautiful Gopuram. There you go. Jagadguru Shri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal Mani Mantapam. Beautiful. So I and my Pulsar are here, and you guys are also here. Jai Mahaperiva.